Hello guys, welcome to the 10th session of Blazor tutorials for beginners. In this session we will learn how to use parameters in the component. Let's create a new folder for this session. We will create a component that will display some quote with an author name and the category of the quote, that is named custom block quote. Now create a bootstrap card. Card body. Within card body create block quote. Let's paste this quote. It was written by Swami Shivananda and use site tag to display its category, that is inspirational quote. Now we have block quote component which will display quotes with Bootstrap UI. To use this component we need to create another component. So write component name, that is parameterized demo. Use our custom block code component and add page directive to access it. Now save the file and run the project. Now open the page. Here we got that quote in proper format as per expectation. But what if we want to display another quote along with this? If we change values directly in custom block quote, then it will remove the current quote, right? And if we create another component with new quotes text, then we are not making reuse of existing component. To solve this issue, parameter came in picture. The parameter allows us to pass values from where the component is used. Parameters are just non-public properties on the component class. This property needs to decorate with the parameter attribute. So let's create a code block. In that block, create a private property named quote text. Now decorate it with parameter attribute and copy and paste this for author name and category. Now we need to use those properties here instead of using static text. This component now supports parameters which will be passed from outside. So now we need to update this page. Here it will automatically display a list of parameters existing in the component. So set values for all of them one by one. And save the file and run it. Refresh this page. See, we got the same output as previously. Let's add some more quotes to reuse this component. I have already copied some quotes in our component. Paste it, save the file and restart the project. Refresh this page. Here we got all the quotes that we have set from this page. That's it. Let's see what we have learned in this session. Parameters are defined using non-public properties on the component class by decorating that property with parameter attribute. And you can use it like normal field or property in the Blazor. Here is component that we have created with 3 parameters. The syntax for passing a value to the parameter is like attributes in HTML. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.